over 10,000 dogs are slaughtered, tortured, burnt alive. It's skinned alive. It's all in the name of delicacy. They think that the meat tastes better if the dog is tortured. A lot of provinces around Yulin come for the attraction to watch dogs be tortured and then try out the meat. They have clamped down obviously on how many dogs are coming in because they're very aware that obviously the West and also China in specific don't want this festival. I mean, the majority don't want that festival. The only thing is it's not being stopped for some reason, and I don't know whether it's because it's a political issue, or is it just a really, really popular festival and is it still making quite a bit of money? So she was rescued off one of the trucks that were gonna go into the slaughterhouse, and thankfully Maggie has been rescued, and we think she belonged also to owners because she's potty trained. International Doga Day is a combination of yoga and also participating in an act of kindness. The act of kindness is raising a paw, really, against any torture or abuse of animals, especially dogs. International Doga Day falls on Friday, on summer solstice, which is when Yulin Dog Meat Festival starts in China. And we all are very aware of this festival. It's very strongly highlighted in the press that it's one of the most barbaric festivals in the world. As a Doga teacher, because it's International Yoga Day, well, why not do Doga Day? And raise a paw, raise awareness, and raise money for charity as well. It's not enough just to share a sad video with everybody and then get really depressed about it. I'm sick and tired of people getting depressed about Yulin. It's not about pointing fingers. This is about raising vibrations, awareness, but most importantly, unconditional love. And I think this is more powerful and will penetrate more boundaries and walls that were created between countries.